Rediscovering Sandalwood, Beyond Beauty and Fragrance. This is printed in the National Library of Medicine, National Institute of Health. It's originally in Indian Dermatology Online Journal, printed May to June 2019. Indeed, one of the most revered gifts of ancient India to the world has been the Indian sandalwood, also known as chandana in Sanskrit. Long before its value was recognized by the Chinese and Europeans, sandalwood was an integral part of Indian culture, rituals, and mythology. The heartwood is considered sacred, and the paste made by grinding the heartwood of the tree is integral to Hindu rituals and ceremonies, as well as an innate part of meditation and prayer. For centuries, Indian sandalwood oil has been a popular ingredient in Ayurvedic medicine as well as traditional Chinese medicine. The active ingredient of sandalwood almond oil, alpha-santalol, has been used as a remedy for a number of ailments, including common cold, urinary tract infections, digestive problems, and others. Sandalwood paste and oil are presumed coolants, with the wood paste being used as an ointment to dissipate heat, as well as to act as a beauty enhancer. The scent of the essential oil has also been said to calm the mind and act as a mood enhancer. The scientific and medicinal benefits of the Indian sandalwood are being rediscovered today in the context of modern medicine. Sandalwood has been found to have a myriad of different pharmacological effects, including anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antimicrobial, and anti-proliferative properties. Alpha-santalol, the chief constituent of sandalwood oil, has been discovered to have chemopreventative effects, in addition to possibly being non-toxic against normal cells. The most important mechanisms by which alpha-santalol exerts its cytotoxic effects against cancer cells are through induction of cell cycle arrest and apoptosis. However, future studies are desired to determine the effects of the sandalwood oil in general, and in particular alpha-santalol on healthy and neoplastic tissue, to substantiate the findings. If further studies indeed confirm the cancer cell selective role of alpha-santalol, it could serve as a useful anti-cancer agent in the future against cancers such as oral, breast, prostate, and skin cancer, because sandalwood oil and its active component, alpha-santalol, have also been shown to prevent chemical and UV-induced skin carcinogenesis. In addition, alpha-santalol has been often found to have anti-inflammatory effects by altering the expression of various cytokines and chemokines. Apart from cytokines, both alpha and beta-santalol have been found to suppress arachidonic acid pathway mediated by lipopolysaccharides, thereby decreasing prostaglandin E2 and the thromboxane B2. Its anti-inflammatory properties awakened interest in the treatment of a number of inflammatory skin disorders like psoriasis and atopic dermatitis, possibly as a result of inhibition of phosphodiesterase. The anti-inflammatory characteristics of sandalwood oil and alpha-santalol may also enable it to have a place in the use of topical anti-inflammatory products. Alpha-santalol has been shown to have anti-hyperglycemic properties. In addition to its hyperlipidemic properties of sandalwood oil, a mixture of alpha-santalol and beta-santalol. Its neuroleptic effects have also been studied and attributed to both alpha-santalol and beta-santalol as well. Animal studies have suggested that they increase the levels of the metabolites of amines, homovinylic acid, 3,4-dihydrophenolactic acid, and or 5-hydroindoleic acid in the brain. Conveying a similar activity, although to a lesser extent, is that of being an inhibitor of tyrosinase, a key enzyme in melanin synthesis. Though its antimicrobial effects are yet to be fully elucidated, sandalwood oil has been found to have activity against bacteria like Staphylococcus aureus, fungal dermophytes, and yeast, as well as viruses like herpes, viral warts, molluscum contagiosum, and influenza. In an open label trial of topical sandalwood oil in common warts, 10 subjects were asked to apply a drop of sandalwood oil onto the wart area twice a day. Rub gently after the application with repeat applications every 2 to 3 weeks until 12 weeks. At the end of the study, 8 of the 10, 80%, had complete resolution of all treated warts, while the remaining 2 had moderate improvement, 25 to 90%. None of the subjects complained of skin irritation, arrhythmia, peeling, itching, or scarring, and pain or discomfort or any adverse events. Experience over the years has demonstrated the myriad of health benefits of sandalwood oil, which we are only delving into today. It has withstood the test of time and has been found to be safe and well tolerated, barring occasional cases of allergic contact dermatitis. It is one of the many gifts of ancient India to the world of medicine and goes much beyond being a beautifying and fragrance imparting agent. Financial support and sponsorship. National Institute Library with no conflicts of interest, as it's in our